Think you're killing your shoulder day? What if I told you most people are actually wrecking their shoulders while trying to build them? And here's the kicker. They don't even realize it. Every time you press overhead with bad form, your shoulders, traps, and even your lower back could be taking the hit. But today we're going to fix that. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to press safely, but also how to maximize your shoulder gains with every rep. Stick with me, because this is the difference between sore joints and strong, stable shoulders that last a lifetime. Hey, I'm David, and if you've ever struggled with the overhead barbell press, you're not alone. This lift is often called the king of shoulder exercises, and for good reason. It strengthens your delts, traps, triceps, and even your core. But here's the catch. Doing it wrong not only limits your progress, it can lead to pain, injury, and bad habits that stick. In today's video, we're going to go step by step, from the most common mistakes beginners make, to the intermediate tweaks that give you stability, and finally, advanced tips to press like a pro. I'll also challenge you along the way, so pay close attention and try the tips in real time. Before we go into the perfect form, let's expose the most common mistakes people make. First, arching the lower back. You've seen it. People lean back so far it looks like they're trying to launch the bar into orbit. It might move weight, but your spine is under extreme stress. Imagine bending a wooden ruler repeatedly. You'd weaken it over time. Second, flaring the elbows out. This is dangerous for your shoulder joint. Think of it like twisting a doorknob the wrong way repeatedly. Eventually, something gives. Third, pressing the bar too far forward. If the bar drifts in front of your face, your shoulder loses stability, and the lift becomes inefficient. Lastly, shrugging your shoulders at the top. Your traps take over, your delts get cheated, and your gains plateau. The good news? These are all fixable once you understand the mechanics. Here's the secret many people overlook. The overhead press isn't just a shoulder exercise. It's a full body movement. Your core, glutes, and even your feet are working together to create a stable platform. Think of your body as a skyscraper. Your shoulders are the penthouse. You can make it look strong. But if the foundation isn't solid, the top wobbles. Every time you brace your core and activate your glutes, you're strengthening that foundation. And the beauty of this lift is that once your base is stable, pressing heavier becomes safer and more effective. Throughout this video, we'll layer the knowledge, starting with beginner corrections, moving to intermediate tweaks, and finishing with advanced techniques that maximize strength and minimize injury risk. Let's break it down step by step. First, foot placement and stance. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Toes slightly turned out, planted firmly on the ground. Think of your feet like roots. They keep your body balanced and grounded. A stable base allows your upper body to lift efficiently without cheating. Next is grip and bar placement. Grip the bar slightly outside shoulder width. Your elbows should be just in front of the bar, not flaring out. Keep your wrists straight, stacked over your elbows like building blocks. If your wrists bend backward, your shoulders compensate and pain can start. Now the core. Brace your abs and glutes like you're about to take a punch in the stomach. Think of your core as a suspension bridge. The tension keeps everything aligned. Pressing without a tight core is like trying to press from a loose foundation. You'll feel instability, and your lower back will arch. Next, the pressing path. Start with the bar at your upper chest. Press straight overhead in a slight backward arc, just enough for the bar to clear your head naturally. Picture ducking under a doorway as the bar rises. Lock out at the top without shrugging. Your traps should stay relaxed and your delts fully engaged. Lowering the bar is just as important as pressing it up. Control the descent, keeping elbows slightly forward. Imagine guiding the bar along a vertical track, not just dropping it. Breathing also plays a big role. Inhale before the press. Exhale as you push. Proper breathing stabilizes your core and gives you more power. For intermediate lifters, you can refine form further. Keep elbows slightly inward. Visualize a straight line from chest to ceiling, and adjust your foot placement for micro-balance. Advanced lifters can incorporate micro-pauses at the bottom. Squeeze glutes for extra stability, and focus intensely on the mind-muscle connection, ensuring the delts, not traps, are doing the work. Let's compare wrong and right form. Wrong form, back arches, elbows flare, shoulders shrug. Result? Pain, wasted effort, and poor gains. Right form, core tight, elbows slightly forward, bar aligned, traps relaxed. Result? Smooth, controlled press, maximal shoulder activation, and minimal risk of injury. Imagine your shoulder as a car wheel. Misaligned, it wobbles. Aligned, it rolls smoothly. That's the difference between sloppy pressing and a precise, effective lift. Here's a challenge for you. Grab a light barbell or even just an empty bar. Do 10 flawless reps. Focus on alignment, elbow position, core engagement, and bar path. Feel the difference. Ask yourself, can I repeat this for 3 sets? That's your next goal. Drop a comment below telling me the #1 mistake you've been making. I read every comment and I'll give tips to fix it. Quick recap. Feet shoulder width apart. Grip slightly outside shoulders. Elbows slightly forward. Bar overhead in a controlled arc. Core tight, traps relaxed. Breathe correctly. Master these and you'll press like a pro. Remember, the overhead press isn't just a shoulder exercise, it's a full body coordination move. Start light, master the technique, and gradually increase weight. Your challenge this week, 10 perfect reps. Focus on form and track your progress. Shoulder strength and stability will grow faster than ever. Finally, stay consistent. Celebrate small wins and commit to improving 1 rep at a time. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your progress in the comments. Your shoulders and your future self will thank you. Enhancements included in this extended version. Full paragraph structure for easy reading. Mini stories and analogies for biomechanics. Layered beginner, intermediate, advanced teaching. Engagement hooks and mini challenges. Motivational language throughout.